Hello, how are you all? I hope that all are well. I am fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Right now, I am going to share with you most important things. Actually, many men want to speak English, but he cannot speaking fluently. He cannot speaking properly. Actually, many men achieve many English words, but he cannot speaking fluently. So today I will share with you how to improve our English, and I suggest you open talk. If you want to practice every day, I suggest you install open talk. Open talk is very most important for speaking practice. Actually, our language is Bangla. I went to spoken English practice with another man, but anyone he talking with me on only Bangla. If you want to speaking practice every day, I suggest you first of all you install Open Talk, and for speaking partner you have to find, and every day you have to speaking practice, and I call you another man and he receive, and then I talking with man. Hello,
Yeah, who is this?
I am Anwar Hussain. What's your
Where are you
name?
from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, that's cool. So what are you doing right now?
Right now I am doing nothing. Just I'm
No.
sitting on my bed.
You're sitting on your bed?
Yes, yes.
Why are you sitting on your bed? Do you have done any work to do?
What?
Do you have you don't have any work to do?
No, no, brother. Right now I spend free time.
Oh, that's cool. So what do you do in free time?
Actually, I am beginner in English, so maximum time I practice my spoken English.
Okay, that's cool. So how's your practice going?
Every day I speak English, and I practice my spoken English with these apps.
Okay, so you find any better language other?
I can Hindi language something, and Arabic language.
Oh, so tell me some Arabic words.
كيف حالك يا أخي?
What's me?
How are you, my dear brother?
Oh, that's the Arabic that you said. Yeah, it's good.
أحبك. I love you.
But I'm a male, bro. How do you love me?
Yes, brother. Every little brother, he love her elder brother.
Oh, he love her elder brother.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so bro, there is a correction. Her is used for female and his used for male. Understand?
Female or for male?
Yeah, how is used for female and his used for male.
Yes, yes. Male means uh, he is a boy, and
Yeah.
female means she is a girl.
Oh yeah, that's correct. Wow, your English is so good. Where you learn from?
I don't understand.
I'm saying where you learn from the English. When you started learning English.
Yes, yes, brother. I understand. Actually, when I reading class that time, I was very weak in English, and
Oh,
then
that's good.
yes, then I read in intermediate class. That time I decided that I had to learn English. So that time every day I achieve little sentence, small word, and right now I talking with another man.
Oh, that's great. I love your English. And
Yes,
how old are you?
Yes, I am 20 years old.
Oh, that's great. I'm also 21.
21. Oh, brother, you are my elder brother.
Yes, I'm elder. You are younger to me.
Yes. Uh, Please tell me about your family.
Like in my family, I have my mother, and I live in alone in United States.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, my
You
brother,
know
my family is very big.
how many people are
Yes,
in
yes.
there?
We are 7 members in our family. My parents,
Oh,
and we are 3 brother and 2 sister in our family.
oh, that's great. You have a big family.
Yes, yes.
You know about call center.
Yes, yes, brother. Call center. Yes, I know.
Like tell me about call center. What you know
Call
about it?
center. When I face any problem, that time I calling in our office, in our call center, and I share my problem, and the man solve my problem.
Oh, that's great. That's
You live in United Arab Emirates.
no.
Where you live in?
I live in America.
America. Oh, brother.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know that America?
Yes, yes. You are a great person. America is very powerful country in the world.
Yeah, that's correct, bro.
Your language is
No problem.
English. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So, brother, my language is Bangla. Actually, Bangla is very difficult.
Oh no, I'm also I know Bengali. Why you think like that?
Do you know?
Bengali is a tough language.
Yes. Do you know Bangla language?
Yeah, I know very well.
Yeah.
I can speak more over than five languages, bro.
Oh, please tell me.
তুমি কেমন আছো?
Oh my God, brother. Yes, yes. I am very fine. আমি ভালো আছি. Yeah, good, good. Okay, brother, nice to meet you. And right now, I have to leave this call.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. Okay, bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Yes, actually, my dear friend and family, if you want to practice every day, you can use these apps and you practice spoken English every day. I hope you will. I hope one day you will success. Bye bye. Tata. Have a good day.